You want to make money online but don't know where to start? I'll show you 5 super easy ways, no experience needed. Look, making money online from home has become more accessible than ever, thanks to the vast array of digital platforms and opportunities available today. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, start a full-fledged business, or simply make use of your free time, there are countless pathways to earn online. Here are 5 effective ways to make money online right from the comfort of your home. First, consider the ever-popular world of freelancing. If you possess skills like writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, or video editing, freelancing can be an ideal choice. Platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses and individuals with skilled professionals for short-term or long-term projects. To get started, assess your abilities and build a compelling profile that showcases your work. As you complete projects and gather client reviews, your reputation builds, leading to higher pay and more opportunities. The key to freelancing success lies in professionalism, time management, and constantly updating your skills. Second, online teaching and tutoring have seen significant growth, especially with the increased demand for remote learning. If you are knowledgeable in academic subjects, languages, or even skills like music or art, you can teach students around the world through platforms like VIPKid, italki, or Udemy. Many of these platforms allow you to set your own schedule and rates, making it a flexible option. Beyond live video lessons, creating pre-recorded courses or educational content can generate passive income, as students can purchase and access your materials at any time. Third, affiliate marketing offers a unique way to earn commission by promoting products and services you trust and use. By partnering with brands through affiliate programs offered by companies such as Amazon, Share a Sale, or Commission Junction, you can earn a percentage of sales generated through your referral links. This method often involves creating content such as blogs, product reviews, or social media posts to engage your audience and encourage them to make purchases. Successful affiliate marketers often focus on building a loyal community and establishing trust, providing honest recommendations and valuable insights. Fourth, the advent of e-commerce has made it easier than ever to sell products online. You can start your own online store using platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or eBay, selling anything from handmade crafts to digital products or drop-shipped items. Dropshipping, in particular, allows you to run a store without managing inventory, as products are shipped directly from suppliers to customers. To excel in e-commerce, research your target market, optimize your product listings with high-quality photos and descriptions, and leverage social media to drive traffic. Consistency and customer service are critical to creating a sustainable business. Fifth, participating in online surveys, testing websites and apps, or engaging in microtasks provides an accessible way to earn small but steady amounts of income. Sites such as Swagbucks, User Testing, and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay users for completing surveys, providing feedback on usability, or performing simple tasks like data entry and content moderation. While these activities may not earn you a full-time salary, they are flexible and require little to no experience, making them suitable for those just starting out or seeking quick, easy tasks to fill spare moments. In summary, the possibilities for earning money online from home are vast and varied. From leveraging your professional skills as a freelancer or tutor, to exploring the worlds of affiliate marketing and e-commerce, or simply taking on small tasks and surveys, there is an option for everyone. The most important steps are to choose a method that aligns with your strengths and interests, dedicate time and effort to developing your approach, and remain consistent. With patience and persistence, making money online from home is within reach for anyone willing to take the initiative. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.